Today, I'm going to show you what I bought and what I'll be installing. Actually, what I've already installed. I installed a smart controller for my garage doors. What kit did I buy for this? Look, on Amazon, it costs around $30 to $35. You can always find it there. So what's included? Let's take a look. Okay, the sticker. A sticker that I'm supposed to hang near the switch. I already have the same one. Next, the setup instruction, I believe. What else is included in the kit? Different serial numbers, of course. And to install it, you need to scan the QR code. Everything is very simple. We put this aside. Now the hub itself, which everything connects to, the controller that gives the command to open and close the door, and the power adapter. That's it. The box is empty, nothing else inside. Actually, I watched a video on YouTube and I saw that guys install this in about 5 minutes. We'll do the same now. We're going to install it and test it. All you need to do is scan the QR code, install the myQ Connect or myQ Garage Opener app, and set everything up. Now I'll quickly install it and we'll check how fast the whole process actually is. All right, let's see. This part connects right here. This we don't need anymore. This we also don't need. All right, let's go. So this little piece is mounted. I already checked how to attach it. It's mounted on the left or right corner with double-sided tape. Like this. Done. This part is already hanging in place. And the hub, we need to place it either here or somewhere else convenient. Basically, the instructions say you can put it into any outlet, but I'll most likely place it right here above the garage door opener motor. I have a power strip there. I'll plug it in right there. All right, let's try to set it up. Here's our hub. You can actually screw it to the ceiling. But why would I do that? Like this. And here I have a free outlet. I also have a small shelf here. I'll put this little device on that shelf, the hub itself. And this one I'll plug into the outlet. Done. That's how it will sit here. How can you use this the way I do? I'll be using it, I already showed you, with my car. It will automatically open and close the garage doors for me. That's the whole reason I bought it. But it also works great with the mobile app. So if you only have one remote, you can always open or close your garage door remotely from anywhere in the world, right from your phone. For neighbors, for friends, for anyone. I want Amazon to deliver my packages straight into my garage. When I place an order on Amazon, I can enable a service that gives them temporary access to open and close my garage. I'll also install a camera here so I can see everything. And basically at any time of day or night, when they arrive, they will just open my garage door, place the package somewhere here, I'll make a special spot for it, and the garage will close automatically after a set amount of time. Cool. I won't show the setup process, but I want to check that everything is already working, whether it works or not. And now we press open. Okay. There it is. Blinking. It's saying that it's about to open. And the door is opening. Awesome. How cool is that? I drove out in my car, moved about 20 feet, went around the corner, and the garage door automatically closed for me. I'll never forget that. Super. And the original wall button still works. And the remote that I had in the car, I don't need it anymore. I want this to work the way I imagine it. When we get into the car, it should immediately show up here, open garage door. One tap, and the garage door opens. And then it should close by itself when I drive away from the garage. Now we're going to test that. Everything should be displayed right here. We switch to drive, and off we go, slowly. Okay, now we're watching. It should count about 20 feet, and then the door should start closing. There we go, the door is starting to close. Now we should see it say, close now. We'll make a little turn here, and we'll check if the door actually closed or not. Yes, there it is. Our garage door is closed. And when we come back, it should open by itself. We're driving back home. There we go. Perfect. It opened. It actually opened. Now we drive away from the house again. I need to check if it will close by itself. Just like this. Pull out and go back. Now we're pulling in again. And this is my typical morning. Put it in park. Wait for the garage to close. We're waiting for the garage to close. There's a short delay, about 10 seconds for the closing. So that's normal. There we go. The garage is now closed. We wait for the icon to show that the garage is closed. Yes, done. It's closed. I even got a push notification. We open it. When we get into the car and start driving, I want it to open everything by itself and close everything by itself. And now we're leaving the house, and it should automatically close the garage from here. We're going to test that now. Yes, I can see the garage is closing. The connection dropped. That's exactly what we wanted to test. Yes, that's it. The garage is closing. And now, when I'll be coming back home, it should open by itself. I'm driving home. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That's very important. Now we'll let the car on the left pass. Here it should show everything for me. 40 feet, 30 feet, 20 feet. Oh, it's opening. Super. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted my garage to open automatically when I arrive and close automatically when I leave. Minimum involvement, park. Well, you saw that this is very easy to install. Any one of you can install it. You install the app, buy the kit, $25. I don't even know what could be cheaper. How much does a remote cost? Buying the same remote, hanging it on the sun visor, and doing everything manually. Or for $30, you buy a kit like the one I showed you, right? myQ. And you can control your garage doors from anywhere in the world, from your phone, from your watch. You can give access for deliveries for any member of your family, and so on. You can give Amazon access to deliver your packages. Cool. And my car will also open and close the garage automatically. Best purchase. Just awesome. I recommend it.